Hi guys, John here from the Property Centre on a very gorgeous blue sky day to see an even more gorgeous 2-bedroom apartment in Massingham Park. It's second floor. You've also got 2 parking spaces with this one. It's wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so hopefully you like what you saw in the video there. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to book a viewing, let me know. If you'd like me to come and value your property, let me know. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks so much. Cheers.